All right, we are going to give an overview of the timers and their options. So in this timers menu, you have a rest timer in which you can do a quick choose. If you want to switch timers because you clicked on the wrong one, you can hit the switch button in the upper right. You have a generic stopwatch, a AMRAP timer, a 4-time, which is a countdown timer, a Tabata timer, a custom interval timer, and an EMOM timer. So I'm going to use this prescription as an example. This has 3 rounds where each work round is 90 seconds and you can rest 2 minutes after each round. So there are a couple timers you can choose here. One is you could literally just set a 90-second timer, so 1 minute and 30 seconds, and then do a rest timer in between. Alternatively, which would be my suggested, is that you do a custom interval timer. Since this is 3 rounds of 90 seconds of work and then 2 minutes of rest, this way you do not have to reset the timer each time, and this will let you do 3 rounds with 90 seconds of work, 2 minutes of rest, and will count the entire interval out for you. For other movements, you may find an EMOM timer helpful, where you can do every 1 minute for 10 minutes. You could even do every 30 seconds for 10 minutes. You just may need to do a little math on to know how many rounds you need and what the time interval is.